Select all images and make a group. Then convert it into frame selection. Press Ctrl key and drag the frame into first photo. Then clip content. Make a duplicate of first frame and unselect the clip content. Now bring the second image into the frame. Select the group and make it clip content. Do the same procedure with third and fourth image. Now select all and align it. Make a component of it. Now go to prototyping. Select on click, Smart Animate Ease Out 300 millisecond. Do the same with others. Now take a frame and go to Assets panel. And take a component. Hit the play button. And see the carousel animation.